Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking your niche in immediate gear so you can produce, not procrastinate. Pick one niche and outline 3 test video ideas. This focuses your content and audience. Once decided, use a phone, tripod, and simple mic. Good lighting beats expensive cameras. Make your channel name memorable and verify the account to unlock thumbnails. Then upload channel art and a short description so viewers instantly know what you deliver and why they should subscribe. You now move into production with deliberate planning. Write a concise 60 to 90-second outline that starts with a hook, delivers value, and ends with a clear call to action. When shooting, frame 16, 9 at 1080p, and capture at least 3 takes so you can choose the best. During editing, trim pauses, insert B-roll to illustrate points, and mix audio so your voice is dominant. This keeps viewers engaged and improves retention metrics that YouTube rewards. You finish by uploading with intention. Craft a keyword-rich title, include 2 to 3 focus tags, and write a 200 to 300 word description explaining value and timestamps. Make a custom thumbnail, large face, readable text, and contrasting colors to boost clicks. Once live, monitor CTR and retention for the first 48 to 72 hours. If CTR or watch time is low, change the thumbnail or shorten the intro. If views stall, one key troubleshooting tip: run an /B thumbnail test and re-optimize the title.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.